Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. For today's episode, I am going to show you how to alter this bodice pattern into a cap sleeve top. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. To make your own bodice pattern, you just simply going to trace your favorite t-shirt. So as you can see here, I just traced half of it. Now I am just going to replicate the bodice pattern right here. So I'm just marking all the points and then I'm going to connect them all together. To achieve the cap sleeve, I am simply going to extend the shoulder right here about 2 inches. And then I'm just going to curve it right here. You can freehand it or use a ruler or just use the pattern. It doesn't really matter. And it should look something like this. I'm sorry I'm using a pencil. I actually hate using pen or any type of marker because it tends to make the pattern really messy. So I always use pencil. But if you want to use a pen or a marker, it's totally up to you. By the way, I will be using a jersey knit fabric for this project. That is why the pattern doesn't include some darts. If you are going to use a woven fabric, I have a separate pattern tutorial for that. I'm going to have it linked in the description box or up in the link info up here. And then I will be adding about 1/2 inch seam allowances on shoulder seam, side seam, sleeve, and waistline. I am not going to add allowance on the neckline because the pattern I used earlier, it has an allowance already. And it should look something like this. So I will use the same pattern for the front and back bodices. I'm going to cut the back piece first. That's why the neckline is a little higher. And then when I cut the front bodice, I am going to lower the neckline by about 1 inch. Now I will fold the fabric just like this and I will place the pattern on fold. So when I open it up, it will be one piece. Just be sure that the stretch is going this way. Then I'll go ahead and cut the first piece. This is actually the back bodice. So when I cut out the front bodice, it's going to be the same way. I'm going to place it on fold and then cut it out. And then I am going to lower the neckline. I'm sorry, I totally forgot to film that part. So you should have two pieces, the front and the back. This is the difference between the neckline. If you notice, the back is slightly higher than the front. If you want to see the full tutorial of this dress, I'm going to have the link in the description box below or at the end screen. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye!